Hello art friends, we're going to be drawing Azreal. So I'm just going to get it laid out. Got really long legs and pointy boots. I think I got that all right. Okay. So you guys stay with your pencil. Oh, I guess I should put the arms on here so I know where they are, and then the sword, and then they got the jacket. All right, now I think I'm ready. Okay, so to start, we're gonna start with her little chin, or his, whatever they are. Little V, like normal. Then gonna put a little ear here, like so. And we're gonna start with the hair coming down. And you know what? I'm gonna put the sword on here, whoosh, like so, because it overlaps everything. And we'll finish the sword later. All right, then we've got like a little hairdo thing here. Few lines with that. And then got the hair coming over. And then we've got another piece like that. And then we've got some hair behind the sword. All right. Then for the eyes, we've got a little bit of an eye poking back through the hair, and another eye over here, like that. No nose, and a little line for the mouth. Then we've got a diagonal line, another diagonal line, and then we've got the shoulder. We've got the shoulder that goes up behind the sword. Then the jacket comes down, down, down. Then we have a hand here. So let's draw our finger here, just a diagonal line like so. And then bump, bump, bump for the fist, coming back. Here's where the thumb is behind the little wrist. Curvy line for the jacket. Curvy line for the cuff. And then it's gonna be a big, fluffy sleeve that comes back around and then comes up, and then there's a line that comes down for the decoration on their jacket. Okay, and then the jacket has some detail here that kind of fades out like that. And then the jacket comes down from here. Must be windy where they are. There we go. Then on this side, the jacket comes down from here. Up and over, and then comes around like that, and then there's that same detail like so. And we've got this piece here And let's do the hand. So the hand is over here, and it's just gonna be oval, 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 like so. I think there's 3 of them, and then there's a little pinky here, and it comes down through the hand and has this interesting shape here, like that. And then there's pieces up here and some stuff here. I don't know what all this is. And then there's a thumb here. There we go. Then the jacket starts up here. The sleeve comes back and up, and it comes down through here and over, and there is the jacket on that side. Then, let's see, where else should we go? How about the legs? Well, no, we've got this stuff up here. All right, so then there is an interior kind of thing here, another little shirt. Some little doohickeys here, little medallions, very fancy outfit. Thing there, and then for the waist, we've got a little thing there. Circle, circle, circle. Something below it. Got a little something hanging here. And that comes down, back. Then the leg comes down. And then this leg is in front, so it's gonna show more. It's gonna come down. We've got some big fluffy pants, like that. And we've got the back of the jacket that carries across and comes up. Then we've got some little legs, some type of ankle bracelet thing, anklet, and then got the shoe here. Comes back, it's very pointy. I think it would be funny to wear shoes like this. I think I would trip. Around and back up. There's the one shoe. And the other shoe's facing us. So there's really not much to it. There's the pointy shoe coming forward. All right, and let's put them on the ground so we know if they're flying or not. And it looks like there is another cape back here, like that. All right, and there we have Azreal. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.